Now, a 10 News Morning Original. New reporting first at 6.
Tomorrow, we celebrate the launch of Apollo 11, mankind's first trip to the moon. And now, researchers at UC San Diego are working to take us even further.
Yeah, 10 News reporter Jared Aaron's in studio. And Jared, they want to help us be able to live in space.
Eventually, this sounds like science fiction, but it's fact. And so to do that, we have to know how space will affect our bodies. So one team at UC San Diego is studying how zero gravity affects our brain. And they will be a part of this Saturday's SpaceX launch to the International Space Station.
Here you can see it. Each white dot here is one brain organoid.
Dr. Allison Muwatri holds mankind's future in his hands.
Yeah, it is. It sounds like science fiction, but it's actually happening right now.
As humans look for a home away from Earth, Muwatri is studying how microgravity will affect the brain. His lab turns stem cells into brain tissues, which will go into space.
And we know from several previous studies that the human body has not evolved to deal with microgravity. We suffer under these conditions, and the brain is also very vulnerable.
100 samples will spend 30 days on the International Space Station. After that, Muwatri will compare them to brain tissue grown on Earth and find out what's different.
The cells might age faster. That's a consequence of being under microgravity for long periods of time. So the brain might age.
That can help in the fight against dementia and Alzheimer's. It can also help us know how a baby's brain will grow during a pregnancy in space.
The human brain during gestation grows in a speed that it's amazingly fast. And in space, we think that would be aggravated. It will grow even bigger. So you can imagine that if you have a baby with such a large brain, it might not pass through the birth channel.
All issues we'll have to solve before anyone tries to live off Earth.
The impact might be huge for humankind.
This is just the first mission where Muwatri and his team will send brain matter into space. He says later missions can see how neural networks and other brain functions are affected by zero gravity. Really fascinating stuff. In the Live Center, Jared Aaron's 10 News.
Thank you, Jared. All the things they have to do to get ready for the thing they have, that would be so incredible.
I love the information in that interview. That was really interesting.
Yeah,
if
really
our brains
smart.
do grow more in space, made me think of aliens. You know, the image is always
With
they have a larger head. Maybe
Does
they're
that
having
mean we're
babies in
smarter,
space.
or that we just have bigger heads?
Hopefully that we're smarter.
Yeah.
Hopefully, yeah, I'm with Jim on that. Hopefully that we're smarter. Hey, let's head outside right now so you can take a look at our La Jolla sky cam. We are dealing with really warm conditions and this low visibility. So we got lots of fog.